Hi, I'm Jen Dearden, editor, chef, and registered dietitian at Cook for Your Life. This is your most asked questions about nutrition. What are the benefits of consuming healthy fat? So let's start with the basics. What is a healthy fat? Usually when people are talking about healthy fat, they're referring to unsaturated fat, a key component of the Mediterranean diet that's been really well studied, has a lot of benefits for prevention of chronic disease. So unsaturated fats are going to be things like avocado, avocado oil, olives, olive oil, sunflower oil, nuts and seeds. Omega-3 fatty acids get a lot of attention, and rightfully so. They can reduce inflammation in the body, lower your cholesterol, plus most Americans don't eat enough of them. Some good sources of omega-3 fatty acids include cold water fish like salmon, halibut, sardines, black cod, seeds like chia seeds, flax seeds. Try our omega-3 packed avocado toast. It has chia seeds, flax seeds, and avocados. A bunch of healthy fats on one satisfying piece of toast. Saturated fat does have an important role in our bodies. It helps make hormones and provides cholesterol, which is important for our cells. Good sources of saturated fat include egg yolks, dairy, peanuts, coconut. Limit high fat and highly processed sources like deli meats, bacon, certain types of beef, and pork. Trans fats have no place in our diets. So if you are getting processed foods, make sure you check the label for the word hydrogenated. If you see the word hydrogenated, that's a trans fat. They can also be found in deep fried foods. For more recipes and nutrition tips, check out cookforyourlife.org.